Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm trying Jamaican stinking toe for the first time. It's inspired by this channel. The channel basically did a video about Jamaicans trying stinking toe. So I was watching, I was like, oh my gosh, they haven't tried stinking toe. And I thought to myself, I'm like, Counter, you haven't tried stinking toe.
Look at this.
So I'm really, I wouldn't say excited. I am more curious as to how it tastes. Been here on my channel before, thank you for coming. And if you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like these, let's do it. This is how it looks. Yeah, what I have to do is just try and crack it open right now, so that is what I am going to do. People are legit staring at me. That's the thing no one tells you about starting a YouTube channel. People are gonna stare at you for holding a camera to your face. This
longer than a few minutes later.
Oh my gosh, this is so hard to break. Like literally. How do I break this? Oh god, Jesus. Oh god, how am I gonna do this? So I'm gonna try to get some help to break this, because I have no idea how to break this. Oh, it was this hard because I can't break it.
Use a stone, right?
Yeah, I was trying to use a stone. Oh my gosh. This room just started to break. I just got the stinking toe to break, so I'm gonna try it now. This is it. It's actually not that bad. Sweet. Have a sweet thing to it. But it's very like clouding and powdery. But it smells really bad. It smells really bad. So actually, even though this smells really bad and it kind of tastes weird, it has a lot of vitamins. It actually is packed with iron, calcium, natural boost in energy. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. That explains why I feel this energized. It helps alleviate headaches, diarrhea, asthma, general fatigue, constipation, what? Prostate problems, athlete's foot, bronchitis. Whoa, this thing is power packed though. Put it in like a smoothie or shake, so you can mix it with milk and bananas and make a smoothie. I think based on the taste of it, it's definitely possible, because it has like this milky sweet taste. I decided to ask some other Jamaicans if they wanted to try the stinking toe, and they said no. So, you want to try it?
No.
Wait.
I don't want to try it. Oh my god.
Smell it.
It's really stinking toe.